Hey guys, today I have a candle and PR haul and I'm really excited. It'll probably be a bit of a shorter video, but there's just a few things that I want to show you, so let's get into it. First, I got a parcel from Casetify. They kindly reached out to me again and said, would you like some new cases? And I was like, yes please. So this is the little mailer, it's super cute. And they have recently released some cases, believe it or not. So basically the whole thing of this is that these cases are, let me just read a little card. It says, our new Casetify Conscious collection is made entirely of compostable materials, meaning it protects your tech accessories and the planet. In addition to our new Conscious cases, we're launching 3 initiatives to lighten our footprint even more, which is just like so awesome. So the first one is Re-Casetify. It says, return your Casetify cases to our retail stores and we will repurpose or recycle them. 2, Mission to Zero. Our entire company is on a mission to be carbon neutral by 2025. And 3, Earth Day Network's Canopy Project. 1 Casetify Conscious case sold equals 1 tree planted. I think those are 3 really important things. I was talking to my dad and I was like, you imagine like, even if every person that has a phone has like 1 case, that's like, I feel like pretty much everyone has a phone, like, or at least a lot of people. That is a lot of phone cases, and I honestly don't know someone who has only ever had 1 phone case. I mean, just in this room alone, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just in this room, like, and then that's not even counting the ones that I have in my bedroom. So you could imagine that builds up really, really quick. People are always buying new phones, like as soon as I get my new one, these aren't going to fit anymore. Do you know what I mean? Like, in my lifetime, I've probably had like 50 phone cases. That is a lot of phone cases. So I think this is such an awesome like idea. It says that these are made from bamboo-based materials, 100% biodegradable, 100% compostable, 100% recyclable, drop protection, and they're virgin plastic free. I'm so excited. So one thing that they have done is they've put them in these cardboard boxes, which is awesome because it's not just about the phone cases, it's also about the packaging, obviously. But I'm just so excited to show you guys these new cases. This is from their new, what's it called? Not Zodiac, what's the other one? Like, Astrology. Whoops. Their new Astrology range, and I'm so excited. So this is the first one I've got. I am a Gemini, so this is the case here. It is so cute and so beautiful. It's in this amazing like mint green color. It has my name down there. This is my other one that I have from them. This is my SoJo one. So yeah, it says a case for our future, made from bamboo based materials, 100% biodegradable, 100% compostable. This is so awesome, and I think, yeah, I just love it. I think this is such a cool idea. They kindly sent me 2, which was so lovely of them. So I got the green one, and I also got the black one. It's like this, so amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna be real with you. Casetify cases are they're a bit like more expensive. Like you can go on eBay and buy like a $2 one, and these are a bit more expensive. I'm not gonna lie about that, but I think that this is such a good idea. And if you are someone who loves collecting phone cases, this is so good. Like, such a good idea for you. Influencers always have like 20% off codes and stuff. So yeah, I feel like you can definitely find a way to get yourself some cheaper cases. But yeah, I feel like this is such a good idea. I really highly recommend checking these out. I think that's amazing. I'm so excited. I don't know what one I'm going to take first, but I want to try it out. Haven't put them on yet because I've been saving them for this video. But yeah, just a huge thank you to Casetify. I think that is awesome. I think this campaign is awesome. I love it. Like, I just think that this is such a cool idea and something I 100% support and to like fully get behind. And yeah, thank you for letting me be a part of this. Thank you for sending me over some new cases. I love them so much. But yeah, go check them out if you want a new phone case. Next, we got a parcel from Hey Bud. So they kindly sent over their new moisturizer. They sent me a little card. It said, Sophie, enjoy our organic moisturizer. We hope it was worth the wait. Love, Hey Bud, which is super sweet. So yeah, you guys probably remember, this was like one of the first companies to send me PR, like one of the first few, and they sent me over their Australian hemp clay mask, and I love it. I still have mine in my bathroom. I probably actually need to get rid of it. because I've had it for so long. But yeah, I love it. It's such a good mask, and I'm so glad because now I have a backup. And then they've also sent over their new moisturiser. So this is the Australian Hemp Facial Moisturiser. Has hemp, aloe vera, vegan. It has marula oil, green tea, and it's cruelty free. Says our facial moisturiser is packed with a powerhouse of botanical ingredients that help nourish and hydrate your skin, leaving it supple and smooth. I'm so excited. I have a whole video on my channel trying out the Hey Bud mask, but I'm definitely going to do another video trying out this. I cannot wait. So it doesn't really have any smell, which I don't mind. You guys know some skincares can be like totally fragranced, but it's good that this one doesn't have any fragrance because, you know, some people have sensitive skin. Usually if there's fragrance in your skincare, it's, you know, no one wants heaps of perfumes in their skincare. I've just rubbed a little bit on my hand and it feels really nice, but I'm going to save all of my thoughts until we try it out in a video. I'll probably do like another skincare first impression soon. Yeah, thank you so much to Hey Bud for sending that over. I did have a discount code with them. I don't know if it still works. I'll have to find that out and leave it below if it does. But yeah, thank you so much to those two companies for sending those over. I really appreciate it. The last thing I ordered myself, this, if you watched my like bottom of the back of my eyelashes and stuff on. Anyway, if you watched my 10k video, I said that I ordered some candles, and these were the candles that I ordered. So something really weird happened. It said that they were at a post office in Victoria ready to be picked up. And I called Ozpost and they're like, yeah, I don't know what's going on. You're going to have to call Peter Alexander. I called Peter Alexander and they were so good. They had such amazing customer service. Like I didn't have to wait on the phone for long at all. It was probably like a 30-second wait. I dealt with someone called Sam. He was super on it, super organized. He called me back like the next day and had organized it and fixed it all for me. He just said that Ozpost were having like troubles with their tracking numbers and like heaps of tracking got messed up, and like said that it was in Victoria when it wasn't. So yeah, I just wanted to point out that Peter Alexander customer service was really amazing. Like they were so easy to deal with, so quick, so onto it. So yeah, I had a really positive experience, even though that was a little bit weird. It still arrived super quick. I think like the day after Sam called me back, I think it came like the next day or something. So that was amazing. Like I had a really positive experience. They were really helpful. So yeah, I'm going to show you the candles I got. So these are the Glasshouse candles, but they sell them at Peter Alexander. This is a little set that I got. These are 3 little mini candles and I'm so excited. Okay, so the first one I have here is called Movie Night, and it says it's caramel popcorn and choc tops. It sounds amazing. So this is the little candle here. It's so cute. These are the little mini ones, but I really like this because then I can try out, you know, heaps of different scents, and see which ones I like and stuff. But I've just noticed there's actually a crack in this. It doesn't, or is it? I can't tell if it's like a crack or if it's like, I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So this is the Movie Night candle. It smells so good. But yeah, I think this is such a cute idea because then I can try out like a few different scents and then commit to the ones that I really like. The next one is called A Tahi Affair, and this one is vanilla caramel. I think this is like one of the very popular scents. It just looks like this. I feel like it smells pretty standard, like vanilla caramel. I feel like pretty much every candle place does this scent, but it's a classic. You can never have too many vanilla caramels. So good. It kind of smells like the Coco Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro, so I'm definitely not complaining about that. And the last one is the Caramel Crunch. This is the salted caramel and pecan. So I think this set was about $50, which I think is great. Like that's really good value for 3 different candles. It's this one here. And that one smells so good. This is probably my favorite, maybe. I don't know. So that was the first set I got. Then I got their Christmas set. I've already smelled all of these as well. So I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. I was so excited when I got them. Okay, so this is their little Christmas set. The first one that we have is called White Christmas. The little boxes are so cute. So these are once again the mini ones. I don't really love this one, but that's okay because my mum really likes it, so I'm giving it to her. It says it's cedar leaf and fruity clove. Like, it's not bad. It smells really fresh. It's just not like I'm a sweet girl. Love it. No, why did I say love it? It is nice. Like, it's really fresh. It's just like not my favorite. So my mum really liked it. So I was like, well, you might as well have it because like, if you love a girl, you have it, you know? We have Night Before Christmas, and it says this one is Dancing Sugar Plums. So this one's a bit more kind of like, it's like a bit more floral. I do quite like this. This one is fresh as well, but like with a little bit of sweetness. I don't know, it's very nice. It's quite different, but I do really like it. And then the next one, or the last one in the bundle, is the Gingerbread House candle, which is Festive Spiced Biscuit. Pretty sure you guys can imagine what the gingerbread one is going to smell like. Gingerbread. It smells so good, it literally smells like exactly like gingerbread. You know how sometimes they have like fake gingerbread smell? This literally smells like you've taken a gingerbread cookie out of the oven. So then I got one of their big candles. This is the Christmas pudding, and it says it's nutmeg and maple sugar. I just love how cute the little packaging is. And this one is big. This is a big candle. I think these are about 50 bucks as well, but this is huge, so honestly I can see why. I do like this one, but it is a lot, which is weird coming from me because I love sugary sweet stuff. But it is a lot. But I feel like it'll be really nice, like lit. Yum. It is really nice. And then the last one I got was part of their Halloween collection. And this one's called Magic Spell, and it says it's pumpkin pie. This is probably maybe my favorite. I don't know. I do like pie, like I like all of them kind of. But the jar of this is absolutely stunning, like so beautiful. Like it's got the little moon on it, like that's just so pretty. I really love it. Yum, it smells so good. Once again, it smells like you've got a pumpkin pie straight out of the oven. To be honest, I've never eaten pumpkin pie or had a pumpkin pie in real life, but that's what I imagine it would smell like. But yeah, that was my little haul. I know it's not too long, but I just wanted to show you these few things. Once again, thank you so much to Hey Bud and to K-Survive for sending me over some goodies. I really appreciate it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!